Hello, my dear friends out there. It's me, Jorg. It's a Friday, and I hope you have a good time. And the weekend will just happen. Believe me, it's only a few minutes until the weekend. Here I have a nice song for you out of my row. Do you remember? And for today, I picked "Wish You Were Here" by Pink Floyd, a song that was written in 1975. So you can see that in the banner below, and I will tell you a little bit about the chords and about the intro, but at first I would like to play it for you. And this time it's a little bit a special guitar. It's a 12-string guitar, as you can hear. It sounds very brilliant and very silver. And with this guy, with this girl, I'm going to play you "Wish You Were Here." So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rain, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? And if they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change, and did you exchange a welcome part in a war, a lead drone in a cage? How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls in a village bowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What if we found the same old fears? Wish you were here. So, "Wish You Were Here" by Pink Floyd, by Roger Waters and David Gilmour, back in the times of Pink Floyd. And yeah, you have seen the basic chords are in G major, a C major, D major, an A minor, then you have an E minor, and that's it. And the intro is a little bit special because over all the chords you use to have your pinky on the highest E string on the 3rd fret, then you have your ring finger on the B string on the 3rd flat over all the chords. And with the index and the middle finger you're forming the rest of the chords. So you start with an G that has additionally that D, the note D inside. So you have this chord and the melody goes G, A, B, D, E minor, E, G, E, G major. Third time. Then you come over to an A shape. Still you have that G and that D additionally in that chord. Again to the A, to the E, sorry. A minor, A minus is 4, and back to the G. And in combination it is. And it's always nice when you give the low E string a little bit more power so that you play. And I think that's the secret of this song. And if you want to, write some comments in the lines below. They're on Twitter. Maybe send me a private message or on Facebook or wherever you are watching this in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell and so. And yeah, if you want to, at another day I can make part of the second guitar. But not today, that was the song. And I wish you a great weekend. See you back next week. I'm Jorg, and I say bye bye.